In this video, we're going to compare numbers using multiplication. So if we have a problem like this that says, use the equation to complete the sentence. So we have 10 equals 5 times 2, and we have blank is 5 times as much as 2. So we know the answer is 10. And the reason we know that is because this equation has really been just rewritten in words. So 10 is equals is the same as is 5 times, see the times, as much as 2. Let's try, this is a multiplication fact, and let's try another one. So use the equation to complete the sentence. 9 equals 3 times 2. Blank is 3 times as much as 2. We know the answer is 9. 9 is 3 times as much as 2. And this equation has just been rewritten into words. And that's the end of the problem. Pretty simple, right?